Zeg ik het weer? Ja. Hi everyone, my name is Thibaut Everards from Amsterdam and I'm the creator of my first game, Fried Potatoes. So why the name Fried Potatoes? I think everybody likes fried potatoes. Here in the Netherlands they do, the French fries, so the French do as well, and of course in the USA. What makes fried potatoes so fun to play? Fried potatoes is just a combination of, I think, everything you need in a game. It's fun, it's lucky, it's trolling other players, and every round it can go the other way in a split of a second. It's very easy to play and that makes it just very fun. So when did I start Fried Potatoes? It started as a hobby about 1 year ago and it just evolved to a dream of becoming the biggest tabletop company of the Netherlands. To fulfill my dream and becoming the biggest tabletop company of the Netherlands, I really need your help. Many thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon.